Do something, Bigby, before he completely tears up the place.
Whoa, 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 hey, hey!
You've got something on your face.
Fuck are you talking about, you stupid cunt?
You're not as bad as everyone says you are.
Please, Bigby. Promise me you won't tell Beast you saw me.
Look, whatever it is, it's between you and Beast. I'm staying out of it.
It's not what you might be thinking.
Have you seen my wife? Have you seen Beauty?
Mother.
Come with me.
Don't interrupt me, Miss Snow.
You asked me a question.
Don't change the subject. You are to blame for this unpleasantness, Miss Snow. No, I'm D. He's dumb.
But he said if word of this ever got back to him, if he ever thought you knew, or Miss White, he'd come back and kill my boy.
I'm looking for the woodsman.
Well, he's not here.
Ollie, you're out of paper towels and they're gonna string me up, baby. Like you said, it looks fucking bad. It looks really bad, but I didn't do it.
All right, I got $100 for the first bloke that can tell me something about a girl named.
Fuck, man.
This fucking lapdog. He comes sniffing around this part of town. Rich fucks and the woodlands need a shakedown. Ain't that right, Bigby?
Now things are worse off than they've ever been.
Well, that's not true.
Right. We've had it worse, but not by much.
Okay, willkommen zurück zu Season 2. Ich bin ein bisschen spät dran. Wir haben es sicher schon mal irgendwo gesehen, aber vielleicht bin ich jetzt so spät, dass es wieder spannend ist. Ich weiss nicht mehr genau, was passiert ist. Ich habe jetzt zum Glück eine Zusammenfassung gesehen, aber ja genau, das Schneewittchen ist doch darunter gekommen. Scary face! Ah, Albtraum. Yep.
You're making this more difficult than it has to be. If you just cooperate and answer the questions, you can go home. Maybe you get some sleep. How are you feeling? I know it's been a long night for you. You look like you could use some rest.
Ich bin pissed off, man.
Feeling pretty fucking pissed off right now, if I'm honest. I'd like to smash everything in this room.
Ich bin der
Is
Wolf,
that a
oder?
threat?
Depends on how much you like the furniture.
I didn't think that was funny, in case you were waiting for me to laugh.
Ich habe es lustig gefunden.
Look, I know what you must be going through. Really, I do. But I could use your cooperation.
You know, I hate to say it, but I don't think you do.
Of course. You're right. I can't imagine what you're going through right now.
Aha. Ich weiß nicht mehr genau, was passiert ist, aber stimmt.
What is it with you cops? Always trying to empathize with people. I know this must be hard for you. Do you? Do you fucking know? Have you had a friend killed and their head left at your fucking doorstep? No? Didn't think so. Your nose is bleeding.
What? Ist alles okay wieder?
Okay. You don't look so good. Detective Brannigan?
I'm Detective Brannigan.
Yeah. I know. I just said that.
What?
There's
Was
something...
ist los mit der?
Do you hear that?
Oh, fuck. She's messed up.
Please. Please.
Uh-oh.
I'm
mich jetzt angegriffen hat, das wäre recht übel. Nein. What the actual fuck?
We have to go, now.
Okay. Was ist passiert?
What the fuck is going on?
You should be thanking me. It's just a memory wipe spell. Very expensive, but it works.
Okay.
The whole station will forget the last 24 hours and everything they saw at the woodlands.
Perfekt.
Well, hurry up.
Schutz gegen... Wie heisst es jetzt? Die Muckel. Nein, irgendeinen Namen haben sie auch für die Menschen, die nicht von Fairies sind, oder? Die einfach nicht mit Glamour. Bla bla bla. Zigaretten nimmst du nicht mit? Big B. Den wir kennen sie uns sicher noch. Musst du schauen. Hey, ich kann die Zigarette! Okay, back in Fairy Town, huh? Danke.
Thanks for bailing me out.
Certainly.
Hast du zwar ein Arschloch, aber...
We found Tweedeldee chained up to a post. That was your doing, correct?
Yeah.
Well, I don't know why you detained him. Dee was at the trip trap when Snow was left at the woodlands, so he couldn't possibly be involved in this mayhem.
Aber er weiss etwas.
Bluebeard's currently interrogating him, and he hasn't said anything useful.
He's working for somebody. And whoever it is wants him snooping around every crime scene I've looked at.
That doesn't necessarily mean they're involved in the murders.
Ah, schaffen sie für den Crane, für ihn. Who knows?
I know what you're thinking, Bigby. It's been one full night and a slice of morning, and I already miss her too.
Ich merke gerade, ich habe die Uhr nicht gestellt.
You know, I never get more homesick than when one of us dies. Now,
Nehmen wir jetzt noch 10 Minuten. Ja?
I've never been good with these sorts of things. I just can't believe this is really happening.
Ja, es ist hart.
It's hard.
Ich bin zwar ein Wolf, aber ich bin ein lieber Wolf.
Our stories used to be so simple. We had a beginning, a middle, and an end. But ever since we moved to this awful city, everything's gotten so confused. Did she give any indication to what she was thinking? When you saw her last, I mean.
Oh, keine Ahnung mehr.
I don't know why, but I'd like to know that she was, I guess, fine, I suppose.
Sie hat wieder Sachen
She
verändert.
could come off as callous sometimes, but she wasn't really. She said that she wanted to change things. Make it easier for Fables to get help. when
Ja,
they
ich glaube,
need it.
das ist Snow White. Sie war so eine Liebe gewesen. Jetzt schaut wieder böse.
I don't know what else to say, Bigby. We have to put an end to this.
You don't say.
It's been 2 murders in as many days. If we don't unearth our culprit, and soon, there will likely be another on our doorstep tonight.
I'll get it done.
Please, Bigby, for Miss White.
I got it.
Da ist einer hässig, hä?
That's not a very good answer, is it? Come on. Just tell me what I want to know. It will make things a lot less painful for you. In theory.
Oh, were you planning on using that? I just thought you really liked rubbing your little sword.
What the hell do you think you're doing?
Hello, Ichabod. Sheriff.
Bluebeard.
I was just chatting with our new friend.
You were supposed to wait for us to get back. I told you, if you want to be involved, you will do things my way. No violence!
Whatever you say, Ichabod.
Sorry. Falls das gehört hat.
Hello, Big B.
I want answers, D.
Oh, goody. I thought you wanted questions, and I was having so much trouble thinking of any good ones. Though I'm settled on, how's your head?
You see what I've been dealing with? What are you going to do about this, Bigby?
It's been better, but we're not here to talk about me. Snow White is dead.
Look, I didn't kill anyone.
Ja.
I'm supposed to just believe you.
You were with me when it happened, dummy.
I
What?
still have questions for you, D.
Das weiß ich nicht mehr.
Sounds like a personal problem.
This is ridiculous.
Let him work. He's got more experience with these kinds of things.
Back in the
Oh,
alley,
no.
you mentioned your employer. Who is it? Who are you working for?
I don't tell anything.
Why? You looking to change your occupation?
I'm not fucking around here, D. All right, D. Let's get to know each other.
Punchen, ja, wieso nicht?
I know
Bringt
you
es echt, wenn wir
enjoy
ihm das
my
Foto
company,
zeigen?
But I'd like to be off.
Ja, wir zeigen ihm mal das Foto. Also schlafen will er noch nicht gerade. Na komm.
Someone murdered Snow White.
Keine Ahnung, was ich mache. Aber er fühlt sich schon mal schlecht. Das ist schon mal gut.
Just tell me who your employer is.
I'd like to help you, but I can't. My brother and I, we got a thing about loyalty. We do our job and we keep our mouths shut. If we don't hold up our end, we don't get paid.
Your brother. Where was he last night?
I can't say. He could have been anywhere.
Take your best guess.
He didn't do it, if that's what you're thinking.
Then where is he?
No, I'm not sending you after my brother. Look, I answered your question. Can I get my stuff back now?
Wir sind
What
noch
did
nicht
you find
fertig.
on him?
Oh, nothing of consequence, really.
Was hast du gefunden? Aha. Viel Geld.
You always carry this much cash?
I've got a lot of laundry to do this week. What's it to you?
Aber nehmen es mal rein.
I'm declaring a tax on uncooperative troublemakers.
You taking out a loan? You might not like the interest on
Ah, hat's dann hässlich gemacht.
You'll need to account for that. You can't just... There are procedures to be followed. We'll talk about it later.
Oh shit.
So where's your brother?
Look, mate, I'd like to help. I would, but I can't tell you where he is. Last time I saw him, we split up and I went to find Faith. I don't know where he is now. But he didn't kill anybody. Just leave him out of this.
You went to find Faith's what?
Aha.
Her apartment.
Faith
I
ist
went
die
to
erste,
her
die gehört
apartment.
ist.
That's no secret. You saw me.
No, there's more to it. You said you were trying to find something.
All right, D. What did you want from Faith?
Sorry, I can't help you. I'm not saying any more about it.
Come on, ey.
It's moving along.
Had a
Was
nice
kann man da machen?
It'll take as long as it takes.
Was machen wir mit dem? Ah, wirklich? Oh.
I'm saving that.
Also komm, gib's ihm.
Here.
Der liked's nicht, aber...
Yeah, all right. Want to see a trick?
Arschloch. Oh.
Bigby. This isn't going to work. Don't you want to find out what happened to those
Doch,
girls?
Mann.
Snow White?
Let me handle this.
Sollen wirklich schlagen?
Come on, D. What did you want from Faith? Sweet girl like her.
Also schlagen
Sweet?
bringt's nicht.
You think that girl was sweet? She was a fucking thief. Fucking sweet. Faith was plenty of things, but that ain't one of them.
Du
Still seem
siehst...
pretty mad about it.
Aha.
Hell, I ain't bothered. Wasn't me she stole from. Nah, she took something from my boss.
Your boss?
Jetzt sind wir schon wieder da.
Well, that brings me back to my first question.
Yeah.
Who are you working for?
You're gonna get me in trouble, Big B. I can't answer any more of your questions.
Was kann man da machen, frage ich mich noch.
You mind loosening those? I can barely feel my fingers.
Also komm, ein bisschen lockern. Wir sind lieb, wir sind ein bisschen Good Cup. Und der Blackbeard ist Bad Cup.
That's better.
Wehe,
Why
du
don't
hast
you
schon.
just tell me who you're working for?
Look, you're not a bad guy, despite what Beauty says about you. At least you're not a total bastard anyway. But I just can't give you that information.
Ach,
There's
komm,
no
wir
way
nicht weiter.
Beauty would associate with a scumbag like you.
What's wrong with me? You're telling me I ain't pretty enough?
Können wir nicht mal reden?
Yeah, we're real close.
I thought this was supposed to be a murder investigation, but you're treating this guy like a fucking house guest, Bluebeard!
That's the bad
I'm
cop.
not getting any answers from him this way. Snow White is dead. One of us. And you're going to let this ignorant shit walk out of here in one piece. Out of my way. I'll show you how it's done!
Genau, wird gleich noch geschlagen. Sehr schön.
What do you think you're doing?
Teaching him a lesson. Now pay attention.
Stop this right now!
You enjoying yourself?
Immensely.
Back off, Bluebeard.
Okay, er hat nochmal einen Schlag bekommen. Sehr schön. Oh, gibt's eine Schlägerei? Ah, fuck, ich hab zu spät gedrückt. What?
What's going on down here?
What?
Snow.
I don't get it. Aber wir finden es erst beim nächsten Mal raus. Peace.